it's Kitty and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below. I post video lifestyle panning and more. In today's video I'm going to be doing my intro for the Deck of Panning Project Pan. I have participated in those for the past 5 years, and I know the past couple years I've been a little lackey with updates, but you know, it's a new year, gonna try and do better, and I'm only gonna be participating in like 3 or 4 projects this year. Not gonna do anything too crazy because I know I just don't have like the mental capacity and just the time to be participating in so many things, so we're not gonna overdo it. But anyways, so yes, I'm participating in Deck of Panning again. I did toy with what I was gonna do panning wise, but I do really want to have like a fun project, so I will treat this as my fun project. I know I said that last year, but I really am gonna try and update. Obviously if I can't update 1 month, or like if I don't really have progress, I might not update, but for the most part I will be updating. I know that was kind of a weird way to word it, but you know, if there's good things to share, of course I'll be updating, and I'm gonna try to be as active as possible. But anyways, I don't even remember what I was saying, but basically this is the Deck of Panning Project Pan. It's gonna go from January 20th to December 20th, as it always does. And I know there's a game board. It's like inspired by Books with Maddie on YouTube. It was kind of like adapted to be a panning project pan. And I know there's a game board, and oh my god, my laptop is downstairs. But you know what? I'm just a mess today. It's been a month and it's only January. But I guess what I'll do is I will pick my cards. I'm going to be picking 5 products, or 5 things I will be panning. And yes, like I said, it is based off a deck of cards, so I'm just gonna shuffle while we talk. And if I can, I'll just like pull up the information on my phone, but we'll kind of see on that. But let's just shuffle, do a good, nice shuffle. I like literally am so bad at shuffling, and I guess I could learn, but like I just haven't, you know, put in the effort to learn. So my shuffling is very chaotic and messy and splitting the deck 50 times, but you know what, it works. It works. So we're gonna pick 5 random cards. So the first one is 7 of diamonds, and then the second one is going to be 5 of diamonds. How funny. Then we have a 4 of clubs. 2 more. Let's pick this one. 8 of spades. And 1 more to pick. Let's go here. And we have 8 of clubs. Okay, so those are all the cards I have. I love how they're all like number cards. We had no face cards and no jokers. I'm gonna see if I can pull this up on my phone. I just will have to go onto YouTube, otherwise I'll have to go get my laptop. Okay, perfect. I was able to pull it up on my phone. But what's cool about this spreadsheet is you can see all the other game boards from the previous years stuff. And I've been doing this for 4 years because this project was created in 2021. So this is what we have. I'll try to put the 2025 game board on the screen. So some things are switched up every year, and stuff. Like there's red cards and black cards for like different, for like the face cards, like ace, jack, king, and queen. And then there's an are you joking card, which is the same thing. It's like something you really don't want to pan. And then of course you have like your correlating like heart, diamond, that kind of stuff for that. So I will go over the game board real quick, but I will just say I'm gonna be doing a very summarized version. So if you want to know like more, I would definitely go to Emily's video, watch how she explains it, because she's gonna explain it way better than I am. So basically for your red cards, for the 8 ace. We are going to pick up 2 cards, so you have 2 additional cards. I believe those can be ruled out. You don't have to keep them in the project. Jack is going to be an indie for the red cards. Pick your space is going to be queen, and then king is no pan left behind. And then for the black ones, for the ace, is going to be a baby goal. Jack is going to be a mainstream. Pick your space also for queen, so that's the same for red and black cards. And then for the king, it's going to be a focus, so something you're going to focus on. But all mine that I picked are all like number ones, so we're gonna figure out what those are. So 8 of clubs is in it for the long haul, so something I'm gonna keep in for a while. That'll be fun to pick. And then we also have an 8 of spades, which is a foundation, which I'm already panning a foundation, so I don't know what I'm going to do for that. I guess I'll pan 2. That'll be interesting. Okay, so then we have the 4 of clubs, which is collecting cobwebs, which I always find fun. And then we have the 5 of diamonds, which is cream or liquid, which I love panning cream things, so that'll be fun. And then the 7 of diamonds is oh the shame. I'm assuming is something that like is old, I'm assuming. I'm gonna look up. That's a great thing, is like there are like I guess examples on the spreadsheet of like what these mean. So oh the shame, a product you somehow haven't used yet, which I don't know if I have one of those. But I'll try to pick closely as I can, so I'm gonna go pick these products and then I'll be right back. So I picked my products and I kind of took a different way with some of them. So the first one I got for the foundation prompt, which I'm already panning a foundation in Partners with Cream, so it's kind of like iffy on this, but I'm honestly doing pretty well with that one, that I feel okay with adding a side one in. So I decided to add in the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. I think this will be perfect for every day. And it's in light neutral. I think I'll have to like measure it the next time I like do my makeup, but I believe it's probably like halfway full, so I think this will be a good one to pan. I'll try to like take product pictures. Obviously I don't want to like mess with this when I'm not doing my makeup, just because the product will go everywhere, but it's so full of air right now, but I think it's probably halfway full, so I don't think that'll be too hard and stuff. And then for oh what the shame, or what a shame, I decided to go with the e.l.f. Heal Glow Beauty Wand in the contour shade, which is the Fair Light shade. This shade is a little grayer on me, but I decided to pick this. I know it's not like technically like something I've never used, but I just haven't used this in a while and I'd love to fully use this up. So we'll kind of see where this goes, but that's my goal, is to try and use this up. So this might be in there for a while, so honestly it might be another long haul. And then for my long haul product, I decided to pick the Salt Light lipstick. I've tried to pan this for the last couple of years, but I really want to pan this again. That's how much product is left, and I just really want to pan this. So we'll kind of see how that goes and stuff. It doesn't look like it would be too hard, but I don't normally wear lipsticks like this on the daily basis, so we'll kind of see. It's definitely like something I really want to work on. And then for glowy, which I messed up one of the prompts I think, but this is for the prompt glowy, and for this one I picked Prime Time by Bare Minerals, the Hydrate and Glow Primer. This one I'm also not sure where it is. I also lost the original cap for this, so I kind of just used this one. But I would love to pan this fully, which I don't think will be hard because I can use this pretty much every day and stuff as like a nice hydrate primer, especially with makeup. So I cannot wait to use this and stuff. And then lastly, this was for collecting cobwebs. I just found this in one of my drawers and I definitely think I should use this up. But this is the ColourPop Luxe lip oil in Skinny Dip, which is such a pretty color. I'm putting it on what I already have right now. And like, yes, it's full, but I don't think this will be too hard to pan. So I guess I am doing like kind of like not complex goals, but I feel like I'm doing like, I guess not the easiest things, but it's okay. I just really am ambitious to like go through lots of my stuff. So that's kind of why I picked these goals. But I'm really excited. This is definitely making me excited. I think a good challenge is good for projects. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned and follow for more. Also stay tuned to my socials. I don't know what's happening with TikTok, but just stay tuned over there because I do post a lot over there, and if TikTok stays around, I typically do lots of get ready me's over there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.